of the show, Rick Jam. He's new to the music scene, I'll say, to us anyway, but now he's gonna tell us what drives his passion for music. Morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning, it's a pleasure, you know?
I'm saying new to the music scene, but you've been doing this since you were 8, man.
Yeah. Man, singing from idea and knee, you know, going to the church and all. Big respect to my mother, big respect to everybody who was around at the time, you know?
What do you think inspired that music, Rick? To the people around you, you said your mom, or did somebody say, oh, yo, you can't sing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a lot, you know? As I said, it started from there, but when growing up and started high school, all my friends here, they actually saw the whole passion that I had, so I had to just do nothing more but just do the music, you know?
Are you carrying them with you?
Yeah. 10 years and more.
You're a real friend for true.
Yeah, man.
If Clive bust him, they not go for them, you know. Them couldn't find him. But I like that because it means everybody's putting their energy into a passion for music, you know?
Yeah.
When people think about Rick Jam, what kind of music do you want them to envision from you?
Positive, soulful, you know? We just work with all the message that everything we're going on in the world, yeah man, somebody can relate to it, you know? Because, you know, a lot of oppression are going on in the country. Correct. Not just the country, across the world, but, you know, we have to just focus where we are right now and we just steadfast in our own belief and just know, say, yo, this is us. We're supposed to do what we're supposed to do, you know?
I find that the newer generation, and I like it, because Jamaica's had so much evolution of music, you know?
Yeah.
And there's a new generation that it's reggae, but not just reggae. It's reggae influenced by global tones and rhythms and sounds. What is your sound? Reggae, or I'm gonna hear a little.
Best believe you're going to hear a lot of that, you know?
Yeah.
But right now we're focusing on just being roots right now, make the people know, say, can do it too, you know? Because blueprint is already in our hands, so why not just put the foundation, put it where it's supposed to belong, you know?
Yeah, man, reggae music is a healing, you know? I always say
it's a
that.
life, you know? Universal language that.
So talk to me, Rick Jam, that the music you've done for us is original.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
What inspires how you write? They contribute to it, and them just complain. What them do?
I mean, everybody contributes, you know. But when I'm writing, I'm actually by myself, you know. But I think about everyone around me.
Then give someone you say, yeah, man, and they cross you.
Lend me energy.
So it's a lot about what's happening around you, what's happening in the environment.
Yeah.
I mean, music. It's such a debate these days about music and you know the power of it and how it influences people. Do you see that as your responsibility as an artist? That this gift that you have is about something that should generate positivity.
Yeah, that's the best thing I can do right now, you know.
Yeah.
Who will listen, who will understand now will understand, who will understand later on, they will understand, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm not forcing them.
Yeah.
You know, so I just give it to them right now. So if them hear it now, them say like, all right, this you bad, but listen to the message. It's not complex, just listen to it.
Legacy, sustainability, that's what message does.
Yes.
So what are you working on now?
I'm currently working on an album.
Album?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're just fine-tuning all of the songs that has not been released as yet.
Yeah.
You know, towards, but maybe early next year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're doing the best we can.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah,
what I've heard so far is amazing. I know we're going to hear some more great music throughout the show.
Yeah.
Where can we find you on social media?
You can find me on all social media platforms at Rick Jam. That is RIKJAM. People don't forget RIKJAM. It's just 6 letters. Yeah,
RIKJAM. Go look now. Follow him now, cause when him win a Grammy, you know, no space, no go there for no. So follow Rick Jam now. Great to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here this morning. We're gonna hear some more from you, and the rest later on. We find out who you carry. Later, find out now who him carry. I lie.
Everybody.
I don't really want to meet them, but if it's him come on. Sure, I go start over here, sir.
Yeah, man. So over here.
Remember, go take it to them. Make him the performance. Clive, you tell me 12 different things. Performance now, and then we meet them later. All right. Clive, no one, nobody know who is a some bad mind. All right, what are you gonna do for us?
All right, right now I'm going to perform a new single called Hail the King.
All right, this is Rick Jam, Hail the King.
Yeah. So we have to give thanks everywhere we walk, you know what I mean? For the people, yeah. Jamaica. Say I be giving thanks for everything, because you help me sight the vision, hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendito es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings and we're in my cup. It's the only way I know to stay conscious. Almighty beg you guide me through this reality. Steady on the battlefield and war with all these enemies. Glad to overcome the circumstances where did in my path. But the devil can't choke off with all him vanity. Jah, you are my shield in a world with such catastrophe. See a conscious youth and still I bring the positivity. Teaching all the lost ones to discover their awakening. Now go see no break like when the other get them fly up in and tell the I be giving thanks for everything, because you help me sight the vision, hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendito es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings and we're in a mind cup. It's the only way I know to stay conscious. Say longing for that peace of mind, trying to stay in line, reminiscing on the times when I never have a dime. The Lord done make me know it's only for a time. Some may never worry when I come to write these lines. It's my decision, cook conquer all my demons. Hungry for a better life and firm in the Gideon. Treading till a voice come tell me final destination. Until then me still I give it all my dedication. Yeah, yeah. You want to give thanks everywhere you walk. Say yeah, yeah. You have to give thanks everywhere you walk. And still I will be giving thanks for everything, because you help me sight the vision, hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendito es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings, them we're in a mind cup. It's the only way I do to stay conscious. Jamaica, I've been giving thanks for everything. You help me sight the vision, hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. Journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. Yeah. So grateful for the blessings, them we're in a mind cup. It's the only way I know to stay conscious. Blessed is the man. Blessed is the man, yeah, yeah. Grateful for the blessings, them. And the King, he will never give you where you can't control. Journey might be long,